Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tolu Alashe, which means authority belongs to God. So in this video guys, I'll be explaining how to trade crypto with a free bot and make steady profits. So the app we're going to be making use of is the app called Bybit. It can be downloaded on the Play Store or Apple Store depending on the phone you are using. So let's get right into it. But guys, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so as to gain more awareness and get this video to people that might also be interested in it. And for some people that don't actually understand what this Bybit does and how it works out, I'll be dropping a link in the description explaining everything you need to know about this app and how to fund your account so as to be able to use the bots and make steady income. So to make use of this feature, all you need to do is just swipe this bottom side to the left. You swipe to the left, then at the corner side you see trading bot. All you just need to do is just click on it since it's still hot and new. So as you can see, I'm already making a profit of 86 cents from creating this bot an hour ago. So what you just need to do is, as a beginner, I won't advise you to click on create because you need to understand the market you are trying to trade. So as a beginner, I will not advise you to click on create. All you just need to do is scroll down and look for a profitable, someone making the highest. For instance, now I don't need to ask anymore from you that who is making the highest profit. By looking at the leaderboard, sorry, you can actually confirm that this guy is making more money. So all we just need to do is just copy his trade, guy. Just copy it. But if you know that you don't have up to that amount, because sometimes the amount can, like I said, for instance, now we have $78 as the minimum investment for this kind of bots to work. So what you just need to do is just head back and look for a cheaper one. Probably, let's say this guy. If you look now, this guy has $78 also. So you just look for a cheaper one. Let's check this guy. So this guy owns $21. If you know that you have up to this or even more than this, or which is not up to that 72 or 70 something, I will advise you to just copy the amount you can afford. You input your amount, click on confirm, and the bot starts working and it starts making profit for you just like this, because this was just created an hour ago and it's already making profit for me. So that's just it, guys. Very simple. Just head over to Bybit, look at the leaderboard, look at what is trending. If you have up to the amount of the first person trending, copy the trade. But if you don't have up to that, scroll down, look for what you can afford, click on copy trade, input your amount, then confirm. Your bot start trading immediately and start making profits. So that's just it, guys. But please, guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our video, because this gives awareness to our video and also make our video to trend more and also make us happy enough to create more video on how to make money on this crypto market. So thank you, guys.